Chapter 1, Number 8. Which of the following quantities have the dimensions of speed? And there are a bunch of given. Basically, here we want to evaluate each thing and see if its units are the same as the dimensions of speed, which we know would be in meters per second or equivalent. So, part A, 1/2 AT squared. Well, the half doesn't have any dimension, and the acceleration has dimensions of meters per second squared. And time, of course, has units of seconds, but then it will be squared. So we have meter squared per second squared. And the second squares being the same on top and bottom cancel out, so this has units of meters, which is not what we want. How about AT? Well, the units of A, as we said before, are meters per second squared, and units of T are seconds. So I have meters times seconds over seconds squared, which of course I can cancel 1 seconds, right? I have meters times seconds on the top over seconds times seconds on the bottom, and the seconds go away, and I'm left with meters per second, which is what I wanted, so yay. And then we have part C, which is 2x over a to the 1/2 power, which first of all we remember from algebra that raising anything to 1/2 power is the same as taking its square root. So this is really 2x over a all square rooted. So we take the square root of 2 has no, as we put our little brackets on it, 2 has no units, so I have the square root of just meters over meters per second squared. And then we end up with square root of, and then we have meters over 1 times seconds squared over meters, which is square root of seconds squared, or just seconds. And sadly, that is not what we wanted either. So C does not satisfy. And then finally, D, which is the square root of 2ax. So square root of 2ax, and we're taking its units. And this will be the square root of the units of the product. 2 has no units, pure numbers have no units, so this is really the square root of meters per second squared for a times meters for x. So we have square root of meters over second squared times meters, which is the square root of meters squared over second squared, and taking the square root of a thing which is perfectly squared, right? This is the square root of meters per second quantity squared. Taking the square root of perfect square gives us just the thing, which is meters per second, and again, we get what we want. So our answer is that B and D work, and A and C do not.